So, good day sir. So, this is my system titled Binaba National High School Judge Management System. So, this system is all about computing event criteria or a contest criteria, and so in this system we can add a criteria, and we can manipulate the criteria. We can add judges, and also we can add contestant in this system, and the system will automatically compute that the tallied score by the judges to the system. So first is we're going to log in the organizer's account. So after logging in, so to redirect to the user selection panel. So in this page, so the user will choose if he or she is an organizer or a judge. So before the judge can input their scores, so the organizer will need to create an event. So we have here a sample event which is I created last week. So but we're going to create another event. So event name, for example, dance contest 2000, for example, 2024, and the date is start by 17 and then end by 18. So event venue and the solution save. So event done successfully added, and then as we can see here, so there are two there are two sub events because it is belong to the 2024 events. So let us activate this. So activate. So event activated and successfully. So let's create the add sub events. So dance contest date is 18, time is let's say 9 p.m. Then venue is Barangay so the next is we're going to activate again. So inside again we activated successfully. So this is the part where I said that we're going to add a contestant, a judge, and a criteria. So first we're going to add a contestant. For example, like JB Crew dancer. Let's just create a two contestants so that it will not be longer to type the scores of the judges later. So boomer squad. So So the judges also Sarani. So let's just say that. So next is they call you some judge and let's just say choreography is 30%. Let's just say 50%. 50%. Sometimes 10%. 10%. And then mastery is 40%. 40, so total of 100%, so save settings, event details is being set. So here, as you can see, so we have 3 contestants, which is a GDL, we have the dancers, and the winning squad. We have 2 judges, which is Alfonso and Darisani. So as you can see, here is the code for the judges. If we're going to that they are going to type in their login so that they can input their one criteria or scores. So here is the choreography criteria, so for choreography, and so now we're going to the visual selection, which is the judge. So we'll use this code, judge code. So just copy this to the here, so you can see, so this the code. Yeah, so here, so for example, I am Dennis Alfonso. So here's the judge name above. Then it's save choreography. So I'm going I'll just put 48, then 69, then 48, so submit. Next is the Minamba dancer. So just move it quick. Submit. And then the winning squad. So submit. So Vitali, so here's the ranking of the first judge, which is Alfonso and Venus. So next is the other judge. So let's copy the code. Oh no. Back to the organizer. Again, so let us assume that I am Darisani. And next is that answer. Next is the winning squad. So again, you can do tally. So here is their score. So next is, let's go back to day So, by the way, they can also edit their score. So, by tapping this, change. So, anytime in the contest, as long as the contest is not done, so they can edit the score if they change their mind after they put in their score. So just say update this into my update. Okay, so it is a change. So yeah, next is we're going today. Let's go back to the organizer side. So since we're done inputting or judging and inputting the scores of the judges, so let's see the result of the contest. So let's go to the score sheets. So in the score sheet, so you can see the list of events we have created or being done. So here is the dance contest results. So as you can see, you can view the summary of Rombinas Alfonso's scores, and you can also see the summary of Darius Mania's score. So next is, so now let us see who wins the contest. So as you can see, so the winner of the contest is the Boomer Squad, who got a total score of 96.5, and the next is the second place, which is the GBL and the Minaba Dancers. So now let us see the data reviews. So this is the dance contest. So this event is created as last week, and just to see the accuracy of my system. And then the redundancies is so that we can easily track the winners. So like this, just see let's just do this in this page. So start there. So the list of events is it is filtered by year, so it means that if we're going to input 2025, then it will create another function like this. So by the way, we can also, for example, this Minaba. So since it is done, so let us just deactivate this, so that will not be manipulated. Yeah, so as you can see, so it is deactivated, so you cannot see the other sub events of this event. So, and also the dance contest. So by the way, in the score sheet, so you can print the result by so like this. You can print this result, and so we have two options in printing. So let's just say yes, and then 12. So the judge will assign the tabulator and the organizer for validity. So validity, here's the, so it is ready for printing. So also the organizer can log out their account. So by the way, in the judges side, so since it is separate, let's see if there are two judges, then they have also three computers including the organizer's side. So one computer for each judges. So each computer, well, so each computer will have an account of one organizer only, since the system is running in one organizer only. So if we're going to create another organizer, then the account of the organizer will be plugged in the PC of the judges. So again, let's go to the organizer side. We can also say password. And yeah, so then you can see the result. So since so to secure it. So in the yeah, here is my system about NABA National High School Judge Management System. So that is also thank you.